Turn left, then turn right.
Sharp. Very nice turn. Did not touch the pavement. Well done. Well done. What's the road speed by the way?
20.
How do you know?
Fine.
Well done. And this is a road most people make mistake. One is that same block, the one we're gonna go again. One is this
200
block.
yards, turn right.
Straight ahead. Wait, this one is it?
What is this traffic light?
Oh, turn right.
When we turn, she said straight. Get the car.
Turn right.
Now what you tell me about new road
Turn to right, left middle.
and new speed, yeah? New mirrors.
Yeah. After this car can go.
Good. What's the road speed here?
20.
How do you know?
Signboard on the floor mark.
Sharp.
And now. Yeah. And two cars should be. Two car long. Over there, yeah?
Yeah, be alert. Be fast if you go from not here.
Oh, wait,
It's going to cost you a test. I said. Yes,
No,
which is good mistake. This is one of the mistakes. So you still have two cars, then you got to wait when first cars start moving. Right? This will cost you a test.
from this point. Yeah.
Don't go towards him. Look, you're blocking yourself.
Okay.
Always in the opposite angle. Yeah, there you go. And if you can't see, you creep forward. What do you think?
No.
Okay.
After that.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, that's very nice. Very nice. Go left. Too much, not too much. Left lane. Now, what is the road speed?
30.
Mirror, get on with it. Now, 3/4 of a mile, what is happening?
Turn right and then left.
Did you open the wiper button?
Huh?
Can you move? 30 speed, not 26 speed.
I'm 27.
Not good.
Huh?
Not good. It needs to be 30. Okay, now, बेटा wiper तो बंद कर दे पीछे वाला.
The
Now, keep driving. 800 yards, turn right. So what do you do?
center right now
Yeah.
and indicate.
Yeah, do what you need to do. Now you start going slowly. Like this. Yeah, don't hit the pavement. Well, leave some distance so you can. Okay, once you're ready, move off, please. Remember, don't follow TomTom speed or this speed. Yeah, they can be wrong. They can be right, they can be wrong.
What happens if they happen in a test?
What is it?
Like the traffic light,
Yeah, the car
it turned green.
Little bit.
After
Hamka,
300 yards,
No, it turned
turn
green.
right.
Yeah.
and the car did not move.
Can you pull up after this car place to the left? Yeah, just give a home key a little bit, yeah? Touch down, beta, touch down.
It's down, it's
Little
down.
bit, yeah. Keep rolling until you are very straight, yeah? Very straight and close, yeah. There you go, stop now. Okay, secure the car. Once you're ready, move off, please. blind spot again, beta.
Again, okay.
When you wait 10 seconds,
Yeah.
you do check the blind spot again, yeah? Well done, you done well this one. So this is the same route now, yeah? Hopefully you remember it.
No.
Well done. तुम्हारा नो नो लगा हुआ, बाबा कोई मस्ती कर रहा है.
After 80 yards, turn right.
Yes.
Good boy.
From here, yeah? Yep, no car.
Yeah.
And to right when and left now. And 30 mile per hour.
That's a good boy.
Oh, it's turning 20 now.
Where?
They said in a floor.
Huh? No, it's just 30. It's still 30. Keep your eyes on it. It will be. It will be. And I would say to you, from today till tomorrow, keep watching this road, beta. Keep watching this road. This road should sit in your mind.
And to right now.
Yes, boy. Yes, boy. That's a very good one. That's a very
30
good
mile
one.
per hour.
That's very, very good, mashallah.
Yeah, 30 mile per hour.
Well done. You remember everything. Alhamdulillah. رب زدني علما. كل رب زدني علما. رب زدني علما.
Turn right. Then turn left.
Up to that part. Turn to left now, right now.
Turn left. Then you have reached your destination. You have reached your destination.